Checking out this VIKTOS face mask. This one is a baklava head scarf, neck scarf. Can be anything. It's 100% polyester. It's in a dark camo color. Let's open it up. It comes folded in a square like this with the VIKTOS packaging there. Looks like it's about that long, and it's essentially a tube, a polyester tube. It's got the camo with the VIKTOS branding in it, label inside here, letting you know how to wash it. There's no seam, so nothing to get in the way. It's just got a cut edge, so it looks like it'll end up fraying a little bit. And this way you can wear it in a couple of different types of configurations. It does look like it has a lighter color inside than the pattern on the outside. And so small, it's easy to keep in a pocket, in an arm pocket, or in a jacket. Great for hunting or taking pictures at night, or you want some contrast, or you want to be concealed in the dark hours.